minus 1, open bracket, 4 minus 1. Okay? When you minus 1 from 8, you have 7. You minus 1 from 4, you have 3. By the time you multiply 7 times 3 is 21. This answer is wrong. You must apply BODMAS rule. Okay? BODMAS. Follow BODMAS rule, then you get the right answer. So we have 8 minus 1, open bracket, 4 minus 1, close the bracket. The first priority here is the bracket. So in the bracket we have 4 minus 1. So we answer that one first, which is what? 3. The next priority is multiplication, because we don't have division in the statement here, okay? And so we have 1 times 3. By the time we multiply them together, we are going to have 3. Finally, subtraction. This is what? 8 minus 3. And finally, we have 5. And 5 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.